whenever people are coming into your life, Gurunatha always says, I see every woman as Devi walking in. Bangaru Kamakshi was the primary deity that was worshipped by Shama Shastri, one of the musical trinities. He was singing only to uh, Kamakshi, Bangaru Kamakshi, the first Adi Kamakshi that had come, who is in the golden Vigraha. That's why Bangaru is gold. So Shama Shastri did not even teach his own children the songs. He was not interested in world fame. He was not interested to write the songs, teach them to children, and through that have a lineage of students who will sing his songs. He was not interested in any of that. His primary focus was his deity. Suddenly, one day, people from Madurai had come and said, wow, Kamakshi is so blessed. She keeps to listen to these beautiful songs that you sing. I hope you are able to come and sing in praise of our Meenakshi as well. Now, these Mahans, they don't take these messages as some random messages, just human beings speaking. They take it as Devi coming and talking to them. So immediately, he just turns to them and he says, Meenakshi is calling me, I will come there and I will sing. And he makes beautiful songs on Lord Meenakshi, especially my most favorite one among all of them is this one in Ahiri, where he has sung 4 songs. This is the 5th. And this 5th song, he says, Ma, I have no one, please come and talk to me. And I love this Baba. How you call the deity with such strength. He says, Tiramani nammiti ni. I don't have anyone else other than you. So please come. I'm so strong. So strongly believe in you that you are the only one who can come. And how have you come? Karuna chudave katyayani kalika bhavani parameshwari sundara surani balamba maduravani mayamma anine పిలచితే మాట్లాడ రాదా. Would you come to speak with me? I'm your little daughter, I'm your little son. Will you not come and speak with me? Nyayama Meenakshi. The moment he says, Meenakshi Amba gives him a kachi. I hope she gives me also one day. నీకిది నిన్ను వినా వేరేది కేవరున్నారు. He sings only about Kamakshi, but because Meenakshi had come and called him Pashankusha, she took him towards her.